Five business ideas for young people with zero investment. If you are a young entrepreneur who doesn't want to go through a daily routine from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you must dare to think outside the box. You need to find an idea that allows you to start your own business in which you can choose your hours and even your own salary. It is important to make sure that you don't need a fortune to start, in many cases not even a single dollar. With this in mind, I leave you a list of 5 business ideas for young people that you can start for free or with a small investment. Publish a book. A few years ago, publishing a book was quite a difficult task. You had to convince a publisher to take over and distribute it among bookstores, which caused many aspiring writers to leave their manuscript in their home bookstores or on their computer's hard drive. But everything changed with the appearance of the electronic format. Today you only need to have a digital file with your book to publish your ebook in the vast majority of online book sale platforms. If you still want to do it the old way, you can use a print-on-demand service where only the book is printed and sent the moment someone places an order. Thus you save the cost of printing a lot of books and storing them at home. If we talk about selling books, of course we have to talk about Amazon. The American multinational has a service called Kindle Direct Publishing that allows self-publishing of books in digital and printed format on demand. Selling self-published books on Amazon is a great way to generate passive income. Although it is difficult to get to live exclusively on it, almost half of the best-selling books on Amazon are self-published, and the margin for the author is around 70%. The best thing about publishing a book, either on your own or with a publisher, is that it becomes a recurring income. Once written, you don't have to worry about anything else. Chatbits. A chatbot is a computer program which it is possible to have a conversation with, whether we want to ask him for some type of information or to carry out an action on a web page. Chatbots are here to stay, and companies around the world are embracing them as part of their marketing, sales, and customer service teams. These bots allow companies to reduce their costs while increasing their revenue. What many do not know is that creating a chatbot is not as difficult as you think. Thanks to platforms like Chatty People, you can create an enterprise-grade chatbot with artificial intelligence technology and natural language processing in a matter of minutes without having absolutely any programming or coding knowledge. With this in mind, setting up a chatbot agency is easier than ever. You can open an account on Chatty People for free and offer your services to companies of all sizes. Best of all, as your agency grows, you will be able to increase the quality of your account and, of course, increase your prices. It should be noted that it is a process that will take time. Do not expect to become a millionaire in a couple days. But if you do things right from the beginning, everything will be fine. Dropshipping. The problem with online stores or platforms like Etsy is that they are not totally passive. You must take care of managing the stock and shipping the products. However, there is a business model that relieves you of this responsibility. Dropshipping. The idea behind dropshipping is to partner with a manufacturer or supplier to take care of logistics and shipping. You just have to create the online store where you have to take care of attracting customers through advertising. In addition to eliminating all the work of shipping, dropshipping also has the advantage of reducing the financial risk associated with purchasing and storing stock. The profit margin is usually between 20 and 50%, which is not bad. But the biggest drawback is that you lose control of the delivery and the status of the merchandise, which sometimes results in very poor quality. This means that if the shipment does not arrive or it is necessary to process a return, customers will complain to you, and you must make sure that the incident is resolved with the supplier. In dropshipping, it is essential to work with serious and trustworthy distributors who have a system to synchronize their inventory with your product catalog. Otherwise, it may happen that customers buy products in your store that are actually out of stock or discontinued. There are platforms that are responsible for putting you in contact with various dropshippers. Some of the best known are AliExpress. It is a gigantic Chinese e-commerce website with thousands of suppliers. BigBuy. It is a Spanish platform with a strong presence in Europe, specialized in products for companies. DHgate. Another Chinese giant, specializing in electronics. There are several ways to automatically integrate the orders you pick up in your store so that they automatically reach the distributor, and most e-commerce solutions such as WooCommerce or Shopify offer them. Graphic designer. If you're creative, you have a computer, and you know how to use pages like Canva or other editing pages, freelance graphic design can be an impressive way to make a living. Digital companies are growing like never before, and it seems this growth is exponential. And with that comes an increased demand for logos, website design, and other marketing and advertising materials. If you have creativity, but you don't know how to use design programs, you can learn your own with tutorials on YouTube. Many graphic designers are self-taught, you just need patience and time to get started. You can earn from $5 up to $100. It all depends on the quality of your job. Create a podcast. Podcasting is very popular in countries like the United States, where an estimated 21% of Americans have listened to a podcast in the last month. Little by little, this channel is also establishing itself in the rest of the countries. In fact, there are already channels in Spanish with thousands of followers such as the Success Academy. To create a podcast, you should simply record your shows, interviews or audio reflections and upload them to a platform such as iTunes, iVoox, or SoundCloud. Podcasts are currently a good opportunity since there is still little competition, so creating a channel that addresses an unmet need has great opportunities to get a good audience. Thanks for watching. Comment which idea you would like to try, and I will make more videos about it. Subscribe for more information like this, and I see you in the next video.